In this video, I'm going to show you why a utility knife is hands down one of the most useful tools you can have for drywall projects and just about any home improvement task. Seriously, whether you're opening boxes, trimming materials, or making those precise cuts in drywall, this little tool is a game changer that you don't want to overlook. So first up, always make sure your utility knife blade is sharp. Dull blades make cutting drywall way harder and messier. When you're cutting drywall, score it lightly first with steady pressure before snapping the sheet. It helps keep your cuts clean and straight. Don't rush. Slow and steady cuts prevent cracking or breaking. For trimming other materials like vinyl or carpet, use a fresh blade and cut against a straight edge to keep things neat. When opening boxes or packaging, angle the blade away from your body so you don't accidentally slice yourself. Safety first, you know? Always retract the blade when you're done to avoid accidents and keep the knife in good shape. If you're working on a project that needs repeated cuts, consider carrying extra blades so you can swap them out quickly. It saves time and frustration. And lastly, clean your knife regularly. Dust and debris can dull the blade faster and make your cuts less precise. One of the biggest screw-ups I see with utility knives is using a dull blade. That just leads to jagged edges and can even cause injury because you end up pushing harder than you should. Another common issue is not scoring the drywall properly before snapping it. People try to force it, which ends up breaking the drywall unevenly. And then there's the safety problem. Lots of folks forget to retract their blade or leave it exposed when not in use, which is a huge accident waiting to happen. The fix here is simple. Replace blades often, score your cuts carefully, and always tuck that blade back when you're done. BigHomeProjects.com is solid for hooking up homeowners with local contractors who really know their stuff and are trusted in the community. Plus, if you're a contractor looking for work, they've got your back with a steady stream of jobs that match your skills. So yeah, if you're tackling drywall or any other home project, having a sharp utility knife and knowing how to use it right will save you loads of time and headaches.